Hello, to turn on or off mobile data usage limit on the Realme 14 Pro Plus, all you have to do is simply go into the settings, from here go into mobile network, and then you have to go into the data usage. And right here we can go into the data usage limit, and as we go in there we have two options. We can actually enable the data limit for the daily and monthly data usage limit. As we go in there, we have the switch to enable it, so right here we can enable it or disable it, and as we enable this data usage limit, we can here set up the number of megabytes or gigabytes to set the limit. Here we can also set the alert when data limit is reached, and the same thing what actually applies to the monthly data usage limit. As you can see, we can also turn it on by this switch. Here enter the amount of megabytes or gigabytes, set up the data limit warning, and here's the data limit warning, and here's the data limit alert, as you can see. So yeah, that's how to turn it on or off. As you are done actually applying changes, simply have to press this done button, and then you are basically done.